If you're someone who needs someone else to show them just a really simple tutorial on how to add text to an Instagram reel, I've got you. So this video is gonna be nice, short, and sweet on how to add text and change your text on Instagram Reels. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing you're gonna need is a video recorded already. Either record it within Instagram Reels or have a video that you add to your Reels. If you don't know how to do any of this, I have a full in-depth Instagram Reels tutorial. It'll be in the description and a link will be right here. You can check that out if you wanna jump over to that instead. But what you're gonna do is make sure you have your video pulled up, and you can do one of two things. So you can either just tap anywhere on the screen and the text option will pop up, or you can tap the little capitalized and lowercase a in the top right corner, and it will also pull up the same exact thing. So then you're just gonna wanna type in whatever text you wanna put. So let's just do something really simple like, hey guys. And then you can change, it's literally all the same options that are on Instagram stories. So if you're familiar with stories and how text works on there, pretty much the exact same thing here. So you can change the color, you can change the font or whatever you want. So let's say I wanna do something like this. If you didn't know, you can also tap and hold down on any color, and then it brings up like this colorful thing where you can change like whatever color you want, or do the eyedropper and you can pick from the video like what color if you want it to like go with the video. And you can also change the font. So let me go back to that right here. So down here you can change like what font it is, and you just scroll through and you can see all the different options. Okay, so let's just say we want to let's actually do something like this. Okay, I'm gonna hit done, and then you can literally tap and drag it around your screen to put it wherever you want. Again, it works very similarly to Instagram stories. So now you'll see, now that we added this text, in the bottom, there's actually a little section that's popping up with the text. And as you add different text, let's just say, let's add Reels, tips, and tricks. So we're just gonna add another text box right here, and I'm gonna put it right below this, and see how I added another one down here at the bottom. So anytime you add new text, it's going to pop up down there. Now, you're probably wondering, how do you change when the text pops up? Like maybe you don't want this to be in the entire video. You just tap on whichever text you want down at the bottom, and then see how there's like little white sliders on either side of this little section at the bottom of your clip. You're just gonna tap and hold and drag it to whatever part of the video you want the text to show up. So you can do the front, you can do the back. So say I wanted hey guys to be in the first section, we're gonna do that. Tap done in the top right corner. We're gonna tap on the second one. We want that to pop up after hey guys. So we're gonna scroll over until hey guys goes away. And when it goes, like when it becomes like transparent, that means it's not actually gonna be on the screen. You can also change where this is. I'm gonna hit done. So now you'll see, let me see if I can get it to, sometimes it glitches, so I'm gonna go share and then go back. There we go. So now you'll see with the video, the first section says, hey guys, and then it jumps into the next thing. And that's just what you would continue to do for the different text that you want to add. So it's pretty simple. One thing I do recommend, if you are having trouble with, because I know some people have trouble when they do this and they share their reel, their text is all messed up. And it used to do that to me. I think it's just a glitch in Instagram. What you can do is in the top right hand corner, the first button up here, you tap the save icon and it will save your video with the text. So I recommend adding all of your text that you want, save the video, and then upload it again and add the same music that you had before. And it will not be glitched up because the text is saved as like a video, if that makes sense. So yeah, if you're having trouble with that, I just recommend doing that, saving the video, resharing it. If you're finding that your text is for some reason like really majorly glitching up after you share the reel, because I know that is a known problem that is still happening with some people. If you want more help with Instagram Reels, I have so many videos on my channel all about this. It's one of the things that I specialize in teaching on. So I would absolutely love for you to check some of them out. I'm gonna put them down below. Like we have some behind the scenes of me creating some reels. We have that full in-depth Instagram Reels tutorial for 2021. I would love for you guys to check it out and to help you even more with creating Instagram Reels. And if you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to my channel because it really helps more people to see this video, and I would just be super, super grateful to have you a part of my community. And if you have any other video ideas, if you've been following along and you have some other video topics you want me to cover, whether it's related to Instagram Reels, whether it's a totally different topic related to social media, media, drop it below. I would love to know what you guys want to hear from me and what you guys would like me to create in the future. These videos are truly for you guys, and I want them to be super, super helpful. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if there's any other videos you want me to make, and I can't wait to see you guys in next week's video on Tuesday at noon Eastern Standard Time. Bye, guys.